Hello guys, today is our third lesson. In this lesson, I will tell you how to use your mouth and some basic operate in UG. And let's start it to tell you if you hold your middle mouth and your left mouth button and try to drag, it could zoom in or zoom out. The scenario is similar to if you hold your uh, Control and plus middle mouth button is the same. And second, I will tell you if you hold the middle mouth button or right mouth buttons, try to drag it. You could move your scenario. Oh, we can see is the object is missing the scenario. At the moment, don't worry. If you hold your control and plus F, you will refresh the whole scenario. You could completely see the object on this kind of thing. Um, and I told you if you hold middle mouth button and right mouth button, drag it, you could kind of move the scenario. It's equal to if you hold your shift and middle mouth button, you could also move the scenario. And the third, I will tell you if you hold control and the shift and your left mouth button, and you will got some quick functions here and revolve, for example, do the edge blender. Let's hit it this for a while, and then you could do the edge blender of your models, right? And if you hold your control shift and the middle mouth button, and you could got some also quick functions. For examples, I choose this rectangles and you need to tell the computer which plan you want to draw the sketch. Let's just uh, choose one of that. For example, I choose this one. And then you're gonna choose which types of rectangle you want to draw. For examples, I want to from the centers. And then when I draw those rectangles, when you close this, it automatically capture the horizontal lines or vertical lines here. So you could very easy to draw a rectangle here, right? And if you hold your control and the shift and the right mouse button, you could also go some quick options. For example, make offset and replace face or other orders. Delete face. For example, if I release on delete face, and I will choose which face I want to delete. For example, so I want to delete this fillet edge, and then you could see it's become a sharp corner again. Let's hit it, apply. And for examples, and you want to face this point, you need to drag it a little bit close to um, this plane, and at the moment you hold it Fn, which short for functions in your keyboard. At the same time you hold F8 and you will directly traverse this plane. But if I more close to this plane, when I hit the function plus F8 is directly face on this plane. Next, I want to tell you how to draw sketch. Sketch is in the home tab and you will easy to find the sketch. Hit the sketch and it will be asking you which plan you want to draw a sketch. And at that moment, if it search like existed plan, you will choose the existed plan, right? And if I choose created apply, and you need to choose a specify plan, I will choose this plan. And then you also can give a distance you want to tap in here. Let's tap a 50. You want to create the plan. The distance from original plan you choose is 50 millimeters. Let's hit it OK. And then in Sketch, I can easily draw some shape. For examples, I want to draw a circle. The default mode is circle by center at diameters. I first give as a center of the circular, and the default xy. I can directly tap the xy. I want to tap in here. Let's draw a 50 and hit it enter. It's automatically dropped it. Jump into the YC and you give a 20 and let's hit it OK. And the next step is directly jump into the parameter mode and you will tell you the diameters you want to tap here. Let's hit it 30 and you draw your first circular shape. And you also can draw in by a circular by 3 points and the first point, second point, and third point. You also define the circular here. Let's hit it finish sketch. And if I'm doing a sketch, let me hit it apply in here. And then I'm doing a circular here. For examples, I doing a rectangle here. And I'm not exit this finished sketch, and I can directly go into the extrude function. So we'll do can extrude the sketch you already drawing on this plane, right? You could also choose a revolve, and you need to give a specified vectors. Let's hit it this. Let's hit it this lines here, and you will based on this line as a rotate axis to do the revolve, and then you could got this column here. Let's hit it apply. And you could also directly choose extrude, and in here curve, if you hit it here, you can choose the plane you want to draw. You want to do this extrude, and for example, I hit it on this plane. You need to choose XZ plane or datum coordinate systems, and then in here, I also could choose to draw a sketch in this plane, and then when you hit it, this cross, finish. And then it could jump into the extrude, go back to extrude. It will tell you that which distance you want to give to this extrude. For example, I change to a 30 and then you hit it apply. You also could do extrude. The same way, if you directly hit the revolve and in here, you could do the sketch. For examples, I also doing on this plane. And in here, for examples, I do this kind of shape. And when you hit it finish, and then you will be jump, go back to revolve window. You need to choose a specify vectors. For example, I choose this line. And revolve angle, I can give it 270, and then I hit it apply. Then you could got this shape directly. And in here, you could also create a datum plane. For example, I hit a datum plane, and I choose this plane, and you could choose the distances kept to 0 millimeters. It's copied one plane with the original place. And if I can give a number here, for example, I give a 100 millimeters and hit it OK, you could got a new plane here. Okay, guys, today's lesson is just a finish, and let's meet in next lessons. Bye.